It's on your face.
Yeah. It's like new you. New me.
You grew some wings and you flew, is it? Like
Yeah.
a sculpture.
It was very nice today. Very nice.
Excellent. How about Kamaji? Anything to share?
No, it was good, but I suddenly got disturbed. So.
By the video or by something else?
No, not by something else.
Okay.
Just interruptions.
Okay.
Because it was good. Started off well.
Nice. Saravananji?
Yeah, it's like a coming out of a void. I don't remember when we started. There were slight thoughts here and there, and then I was again going back to the focus point, anchoring there. Yeah, this is, I think, one of the videos with a lot more silence, very less instructions compared to the other ones we have been going through.
And that's the whole idea.
Mm-hmm.
To be less attached to the tool.
Yeah.
Very nice. Satyaji?
This is Mahir Samadhi, right? Vijay?
Yeah.
So I think when Prabhuji was saying that the sun, the moon, the seas, the stars, I think that is where I felt that it is a universal existence. I mean, it's like that the totality. I am complete. This is complete. I mean, Purnamadaha Purnamidam. I think that is where the whole universe is one. I mean, that small feeling gives a sense of completeness. Nothing needs to complete me. I am already complete. That's the feeling I got today.
Vishwarupadarshi. Wonderful. Shubhaji?
Yes, sir. I am feeling that I'm getting better with every session. So initially, the disturbance was more, and I was able to get back to it. Now I am seeing that other disturbance doesn't disturb me at all. I'm able to practice this and maybe there's a better.
Very
So
nice.
the graph is going up.
Wonderful.
Better. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. How about Priyaji?
Vijayji, I too had little bit disturbances in and around, but I could focus. I have experienced like when we are focusing in the forehead or the energy, I mean the flow of breath through the spinal cord and all. Why we experience the heaviness in there? I mean, is it because the flow of blood or the flow of energy is more in that part, or is it my experience? I don't know.
See, one is it's always your experience because it's only your mind. Okay, so the various experiences during meditation are always individualistic. So what masters always therefore suggest is whatever experiences during meditation, whatever experiences, sometimes the experience may be so overwhelming that you may be tearing up. Sometimes it may look like very, very disturbed. Whatever may be it is an experience. Experience means that which comes and goes. So let it come and go. Be the witness. Be the one who's watching what is coming and going. So the whole idea of meditation is therefore to shift from experience to the one who's watching the experience.
Hmm.
And in the Nididhyasa, that is why the Vedantic Jnana is given. Whenever the attention shifts to experience, to go back to the Nididhyasa mantra given. Name raga dveshau, name dvesha mohau, is what the mantra given for this particular meditation. I do not have attachments or aversions, meaning whatever experience, however divine, however it may sound to be non-divine, both are not me. Both are something that is coming and going. In other words, mithya. So therefore, to analyze about any kind of experience during meditation sometimes can mislead us. Especially many can get attached to experiences. They talk vividly about, oh, I experienced this blue light, yellow light, green light. Then others start craving for such experiences. Which means that once again in the mind you put a thought, oh, that is what experience that I should have, then only the meditation is complete. So the heaviness, whatever else you may feel, offer it as part of the experience, offer it as part of the journey. Whatever needs to be cleaned up will get cleaned up. Whatever needs to remain will remain.
Okay, Vijayaji.
Anything else? Then shall we end our today's session? Shubhaji? Yes, yes,
Vijayaji,
yes, yes.
yeah, not to relate it to Nididhyasa, but I have one question in Sthanat Trayavastha. Okay.
Yeah, please.
Like Jagrati, Sukshupti, and one more is there. No? So we don't give we should not give importance for 3 avasthas. That is what the Prabhuji explains there. We don't have any things to next day when we, even if it continues, we don't have such existence. But in Jagrata Avasthi, because yesterday night I slept, today morning I am getting up, and I have that kind of things I could see, like might be my laptop or my mobile, or the next day Vedantic class. Some existence will be there, but in the dream state, the same thing will not be there again to continue, because what I have experienced the dream today might not be related. Even in the dream state, even if I'm in the dreaming, it will not be sometimes interconnected. But Jagrati state, like it is, flow is there. So whatever I have planned today, tomorrow also will continue. That such kind of timetable it will be there. So there I have a little confusion.
So what is the correct question?
Question is some existence for the Jagrata Avastha is there. So dream it is not there, no? So we have, why he tells that we should not give importance. Jagrata Avastha can be given importance, right?
So, okay. So importance in terms of when Prabhuji says that, do not be attached to it, because the existence of these materials in the Jagrata Avastha, though it may appear to be there, but it is still not permanent. Sun has been there for millions of years, will be there for more billions of years, but still it is something that is burning away. So some of the Jagrata Avastha objects are very short-lived. Some are long-lived, but still they appear and disappear. Your dream objects appear and disappear, maybe little more shortly, but both are mithya. So what is being referred by the Guru is the mithya nature of both the objects.
Okay.
Doesn't mean that, for example, oh, this body is mithya, I will not care for it. No, that is not what is being said. It is mithya. Be aware of how it is changing.
Okay.
As a little baby, what food to eat. As maybe a slightly grown-up body, what food to provide to this body. Should I keep doing the same thing that I did as a small baby now? So that is the nature of change that the owner has to become aware of. That doesn't mean that this has to be ignored,
Okay.
but do not give importance to it.
Oh.
There is no need to attach to it.
Yeah, I feel, Vijayji, in Avasthatraya Prakriya, the main point is the one who knows all the three states is the I. The one common thing which knows all the three states is the self. So that is what we have to hold on to. Because just like a dream, even the waking state is a dream. A dream is a short dream, and this waking state is a long dream where you see continuity in the form of existence. So what is behind this existence? That is Sat Chit Ananda. It is eternal. So that is the self. So the knower of all the three states is the self. So we need to hold on to that knower. Even if you are seeing a dream, you wake up. Similarly, when you are awake, you know that this is a dream. So internally you have to wake up. Wake up to what is the self. Wake up to the reality.
That's why the Guru would refer to even the waking state as a waking dream. That may be called as a dream during sleep, but this is a waking dream.
Okay.
One of the prakriya that usually happens during the Atma Darshana class, as an example, you can also now imagine. Let's assume you have this 3D glass, okay, like some of these virtual reality glasses, where you wear it, and then you are in that particular world, make believe world. No more anything else is seen. It's a completely make believe 3D world. You're just wearing a glass. Today such technologies are there. Using your mobile itself, you can create. Your Samsung mobile gives you a Samsung glass. If you insert your Samsung mobile and wear it, it completely cuts off everything else from your vision, and only what your screen is showing, that appears as if like a 3D world for you.
Okay.
In that world, when somebody is trying to, let's say, hit your dream object or your character in that, it feels as if it's coming to you. You would have felt it maybe in some 3D movies, no? Suddenly something is being thrown and you, oh, it's coming at me. So you have realistic experiences, as if it's coming at the body, it's hurting me. You're crying. In movies also, you become so emotional. The hero is dying, or you feel emotional, you start crying. What is happening there? The involvement in that make-believe world is so great. The Maya Shakti is so divine, so wonderful, so magical, that it appears very real. In dream, how many times you may be trying to run, but you cannot run. That particular kind of a thing repeats, no? In dream also, some dreams may not be repeating, but some kind of things in dream, they keep on coming, isn't it? So like that, the nature is to keep changing. And like Satyaji suggested, the importance of the Avasthatraya Prakriya is to realize that none of these three states is who I am.
Hmm.
I am the witness of all the three states.
Okay.
Like today's Nirvana Shaktam, I have no aversions or attachments.
Namira.
Aversions and attachments are for the dream characters. I like mango, I dislike banana. It's all for the dream characters, which are coming and going. As a little baby, maybe you were very averse to vegetables, but now you have developed some kind of an interest, maybe.
Hmm.
Is it all making sense? Is it clear?
Yes, Vijayji.
Is there anything else? All right. Then, Shubhaji, shall we end with the closing prayers?
Yes, sir. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om, lead me from untruth to truth, darkness to light, impermanence to permanence. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamuduchyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om, that is complete. This is complete. When completeness is removed from completeness, what remains is complete. When completeness is added to completeness, totality remains complete. Om, peace, peace, peace. Nanu, nanembudu, nanalla, nideha, manabuddhi, nanalla, Sachidanandatma, Shivananu nane, Shivoham, Shivoham, Shivoham. I am not the body, mind, intellect. I am pure consciousness. Shivaswarup. Atmadarshanam, Brahmadarshanam, Brahmadarshanam, Satyadarshanam. Recognition of self is recognition of the whole. Recognition of the whole is the truth. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrityor Mukshiyamamrita. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrityor Mukshiyamamrita. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrityor Mukshiyamamrita. We worship the three-eyed one, who is fragrant and who nourishes all. Like the fruit falls off from the bondage of the stem, may we be liberated from death, from mortality. Lokaha samastaha sukhino bhavantu. Lokaha samastaha sukhino bhavantu. Lokaha samastaha sukhino bhavantu. May all beings be happy, healthy, and peaceful. Hari Om.
Thank you, Shubhaji.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
We'll continue our contemplation with day, I think 7, 8, and 9 in our next session on Sunday. Oh, next Sunday will be 25th, isn't it?
Yeah. And Saturday also, no, sir, 24th, right?
It's Guru Purnima. Okay, so maybe next Saturday and Sunday we may not have both the Gita session and the Vedanta session, and we'll resume after the Guru.
31st.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Have a wonderful time. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
sir.
Hari Om, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hari Om.
Thank you.